Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're signed in, so start by opening Gmail and switching to the All Mail view. This includes archived or auto-archived messages. Once done, use search operators like from, no reply at Google, subject, welcome to Gmail, or simply subject, welcome to Gmail to surface Google's welcome message. This email often holds the earliest timestamp tied to account creation. Make sure to expand search period and sort by oldest. These first actions narrow the hunt and save time versus scanning folders manually. Once you've located candidate emails, scroll to the oldest message visible and open system sent items such as the welcome, verification, or first security alert. These messages often include creation-related timestamps or account setup details. If you don't see a welcome email, broaden the search. Try from accounts, Google, or check for early verification messages from alternate addresses. Also look inside archived and spam. Account creation mail can land there. These middle steps confirm the earliest recorded interaction tied to the account. To finish, use the timestamp from the earliest system email as your account creation date. Note the date and time zone if shown. If no such mail exists, open your Google account, review personal info and data and privacy, or request takeout for account metadata that may include creation info. If results still fail, check recovery addresses and alternate accounts for forwarded welcome mail. Troubleshooting tip: if searches return nothing, temporarily disable filters and check spam and trash. Archived rules often hide the needed messages.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.